Assalamu alaikum. Welcome everyone. I am Muzaffar Bashir Khan. Today we will discuss some important MCQs of laser physics. Let's start. First one is the basic principle involved in laser action is इसके ऑप्शन में है बैंडविड्थ, स्पॉन्टेनियस इमिशन, अब्जॉर्प्शन एंड स्टिमुलेटेड इमिशन। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है डी ऑप्शन, स्टिमुलेटेड इमिशन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 है waves neither coincide in wavelength nor in phase, then these radiations are called. If we have some type of radiation and in the radiation neither their wavelength nor phase of the waves match each other or coincide each other, then this type of radiation are called coherent, non-coherent, phase coherent or incoherent. Incoherent is the correct option. Incoherent, in the incoherent radiation, wavelength and phase of the waves not coincide each other. Question number 3. A system in which population inversion is achieved is called active medium. In the active medium, population inversion can be achieved. So option C is correct. Question number 4. Wavelength of red light emitted by helium neon laser is 633 nanometer. Wavelength of helium neon laser is 633 nanometer. Question number 5. Laser beam is made of electrons, photons, protons, none of these. Laser beam is made of photons. Question number 5. B option is correct. Photons. Question number 6. Method of population inversion in helium neon laser is, we have already discussed different types of pumping mechanism to produce population inversion. So in helium neon laser, atomic collision or collision pumping or pumping by the collision is used. So option A is correct for question number 6. These are other direct conversions, electric charge and electron impact. All these are different types of pumping mechanism, but for helium neon, atomic collision is used. Question number 7. What is the wavelength of light emitted by LED made by semiconductor material having band gap energy equal to 2.8 electron volt? It's a semiconductor laser. 2.8 electron volt energy gap is here. So its wavelength is 4430.8 angstrom. D option is correct. Question number 7 is correct answer, 4430.8 angstrom. Question number 8. Population inversion cannot be achieved in 2-level laser, 3-level laser, 4-level laser. We have discussed in detail that 2-level laser cannot produce laser beam. Actually the reason is that in 2-level laser we cannot achieve population inversion. So question number 8 has correct answer A, 2-level laser. Question number 9. Fractional change in intensity per unit propagation distance is called gain coefficient. Question number 9 has correct answer, gain coefficient. Question number 10. Arrangement that allows beam of light to circulate along a closed path is called amplification, active medium, a cavity resonator, population variant. It's a very close confusion between B and C option, but option C is correct here. Arrangement, in the question number 10 we are going to discuss about arrangement. So arrangement that allows beam of light to circulate along a closed path or to move back and forth. This is called cavity resonator. Question number 10 has C option, correct option is C. Question number 11, steady state condition is achieved in laser cavity when gain is equal to loss. Question number B is correct. We have discussed it many times. When gain is equal to loss, then this state is called as steady state condition. Question number 12, which of the following color of laser light has shortest wavelength? Among these, yellow, blue, red and green, blue light has the shortest wavelength. If the wavelength is short, then its energy and frequency will be large. So blue light has the shortest wavelength among these. So B option is correct. Question number 12 has correct option B, blue light. Question number 13, that's last one. Which scientist first came up with the idea of stimulated emission? Einstein was the scientist who first of all put forward the idea of stimulated emission. So question number 13 has correct answer, Einstein. Question number C, option C is a correct answer for question number 13, Einstein. These are the answers of all these questions. You can match with your answer. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching.